Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Wes, and thanks for joining me today. Trying something a little bit different, trying not to waste everybody's time with the intro music because I'm not that fancy. Um, I know time's critical for all of us, and I want you to go ahead and get the forecast up front rather than wasting a bunch of time listening to some music and not seeing my pretty face. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You don't want to miss a rain forecast and try to have a barbecue and wind up having a flash flood. So for today, we're going to have a weak cold front move through the Carolinas today, and it's going to bring a slight dip in humidity, which is kind of nice. That boundary is also going to spark a few scattered storms, though. So, especially like the mid Piedmont area, kind of I-85 to I-95 corridor. Obviously, the mountains are going to have some rain. Probably seeing rain in the next few hours or so, but that'll spread throughout the Piedmont with some scattered showers throughout the afternoon. Your normal standard summer rainstorm, but you can expect highs in the upper 80s to near 90 for most of the area. Heat index still hanging out around the mid 90s across most of North Carolina, except for the mountain areas. Raleigh, you're going to start out around 72 degrees, and then it's going to get up to about 88. Partly sunny, partly cloudy skies. Glass half full, right? Partly sunny skies. Scatter storms are probably going to be popping up around 3 o'clock. And then the strongest storms in the Raleigh area, you'll probably see east of I-95. Spotty heavy rainfall in some areas. Charlotte's going to see a low around 70, warming up to about 90. Storm chances are pretty slim for the Charlotte area, but do expect pop-up showers, kind of like you saw yesterday evening throughout the area around I-77 to I-85 corridor. And that'll probably be 4 to 5 o'clock as we keep forecasting. I feel like I'm a broken record. No real active severe weather watches, but the Storm Prediction Center does have today as a marginal risk. And again, air quality code yellow. So make sure you're looking out for that. Looking ahead, I want to focus on Wednesday, and I've got our model up here. So if you look Tuesday, kind of as we talked about, going into there's Tuesday afternoon, and again, this is just a model, so it's not perfect. But when we go into about midnight Tuesday into Wednesday, you can see that heavy rain band is going to be central to like the Piedmont region, kind of shooting right up I-85. And then it just kind of lingers and hangs out on the eastern part of the state. So that US 1 corridor, like I was talking about yesterday, US 1 to I-95 is going to see a lot. And then east of I-95 as you get later in the day on Wednesday, you can see some heavy storms down in the Southport, Ocean Isle Beach, kind of that really southern portion of the Family Beach area of North Carolina. And then as you go into Thursday, it really kind of clears out. And as of right now, it looks like the 4th of July, unless you're at the beach, actually, the 4th of July is going to look great. Maybe some spotty showers in the mountains, but that's later in the forecast, and things could change. So we'll work on that as we get closer. Probable weather, the amount of rainfall that's expected on Tuesday, again, inch to inch and a half, just like I was talking about, is kind of what's predicted here. So we'll keep an eye out for that as it gets closer, or tomorrow. And I'll keep you in the loop. So remember, stay cool, stay safe, and I've got my eye in the sky, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching Weather with Wes. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for tomorrow's forecast.